Yes, there were declines for most of the top government officials in our country. In the case of the president, majority of Filipinos continue to trust and approve of his performance despite the declines. So that's an important finding. Majority of everyday Filipinos continue to trust the president. And while there were declines in performance, majority still continue to approve of his performance as a president.
Why?
Now, as far as VP Sara is concerned, we saw a surge in her numbers for trust and release. So this is exclusive on your show. That's all I can say.
naman one question. Why,
Sige,
why
go.
is the difference stark between your survey and that of Pulse, where it's really massive? The drop of the president's approval and trust ratings is huge.
Well, I can't talk about the survey ratings from Pulse. They're a different organization. They have a different sampling, different period of survey. What I can talk about is Okta's survey, which has remained consistent since we have taken it. This is the, in a sense, this is the latest survey since we took this reading in the fourth quarter of 2024. And what we're basically saying, without going into detail, because I can't talk about details at the moment, is that the president's numbers declined in both in trust and performance. But that majority of Filipinos continue to trust and approve of his performance as president. So yes, majority of Filipinos still supporting the administration. For VP Sara Duterte, all I can say is that the numbers surged. And she continues to be trusted. This is an improvement from her fourth quarter trust and approval ratings. She continues to be trusted, and her performance numbers went up. Now, the decline, possibly really because of government performance. You know, we also released this in the fourth quarter that poverty and hunger went up. So this probably accommodates, probably one of the reasons why there was significant decline in certain areas. Notably in the Visayas and some parts of NCR and Balanced Luzon. So these are, I think, the major reason for us why the president's numbers have suffered some decline during